Scoil, Neamh, Áine.
Seo Íme Scoil. Scoil, Neamh, Áine. Tá mé a rang a trí. Seo Íme bhúntóir. Iní ní rian is anam dí. Seo í an ifig. Seo é an príomhide. An túsal baréid is anam dó. Seo é an hala. Seo é an clós. Ó féach, am lón atá ann. Slán!
Ceistena. Ceist a héan. Cad is anam don scoil? Ceist a dó. Cén rang ina bhfuil Lucy? Ceist a trí. Cad is anam don bhúntóir? Ceist a chathair. Cad is anam don phríomh-ide? Ceist a cúig. Cén táim é?
This piece is called Scoil, Neamh, Áine. So seo Íme Scoil, Scoil, Neamh, Áine. This is my school, St. Áine's, School of St. Áine. I'm in rang a trí, tá mé a rang a trí. Seo Íme bhúntóir, this is my teacher, and it's E because it's a woman. Iní ní rian is anam dí, that is her name. Ní Ryan. And seo í an ifig, this is the office. Seo é an phríomhide, this is the príomhide, the principal, and it's a he, so it's A. An túsal baréid is anam dó, and that's his name, túsal baréid. Barrett, I think, is anam dó. Seo é an hala, this is the hall. Seo é an close, this is the yard. Ó féach, look, am lón atá ann, it's lunchtime. Slán, and that means goodbye.